How to edit or delete a user? Simple. First, let's see how to edit a user. Select the user you want to edit. Click on the three dots, choose the edit option. A pop-up will open where you can update user details. For example, I am updating the mobile number. Note, employee ID and member cannot be edited from the portal. Because you don't have the required access rights or permissions assigned, please contact the ePrompto support team if you need to update them. Now click on the Update User button. Your user has been updated successfully. You can verify it in the Recently Updated field. Now, let's see how to delete a user. Select the user you want to delete. I will select the same user for deletion, but before that, one important thing to understand. You can only delete a user who does not have any assets assigned. For example, when I click on the Delete button, you can see this user has no assets assigned, so the system asks for confirmation. If you want to delete, click on the Yes button, and the user will be deleted. Now, in another case, if you try to delete a user who has assigned assets, you will see a message. This user has assigned assets. You cannot delete them. This means the user cannot be deleted. To delete such a user, first, you need to unassign or move all assets to in stock. Once no assets are assigned, the delete option will be available.